Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix where your Google Chrome browser has no sound while you are watching videos in it, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So if you're watching a video in your Google Chrome browser and there is no sound, then what you'll have to do, you need to click on these three dots at the top right corner, scroll down to settings. Now you have to click on privacy and security on the left pane, scroll down to site settings, scroll down to this additional permission. So you have permissions but you cannot locate sound here, so you need to click on this additional permissions, click on this arrow. This also, now you cannot also find sound here in the additional permissions, so you need to scroll down and look for the additional content settings, and here you'll find sound together with other content settings right here. So just click on sound. Now you need to make sure this is not clicked on don't allow sites to play sound. Make sure this is sites can play sound. Once that is done, go back to the video that you are watching and then right click at this at the top. Make sure this is not muted. So if this is muted, just make a right click on it, select unmute site. And then look for your audio icon in the taskbar, right click on it, select open volume mixer. Now you need to make sure that Google Chrome, this is set to 100. This is not muted like this. And then this is set to 100 or the volume that you want. And also, you need to make sure that your audio icon for your Windows, this is also not muted. Now, once this is done, then your problem will be fixed. So, I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.